how to view your subscribers on YouTube. Welcome to another YouTube tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how you can see who subscribed to you on YouTube. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel. The first thing we need to do is open up the YouTube homepage. What you need to do is make sure you're logged into your account. Then go to your channel icon in the top right-hand corner and select your YouTube studio. Once you're here and you're on your studio, you want to scroll down and you'll see recent subscribers. Go ahead and click on See All. And you'll be viewing your subscribers from the last 90 days here. You can filter by the date that they were subscribed. So I'm filtering now for lifetime. And I can see the people that have subscribed to me who have the most subscribers in descending order. It's important to know it will only show people who have their subscribers made public. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.